Right guys, so we have done on a previous video top speed of trucks, but what about the handling? What about around the track that we use? What's going to be the quickest? Well, we're going to find out. We're all going to, each of us are going to take each of the trucks around for 3 laps. We'll time it, see which is the quickest. We've already got our ideas what's going to be the quickest and also what's the easiest of drives, but we'll give our feedback at the end. Right then, here we go with the Max. Let's see what we can do with this. Here we go, down the straight. Quite dusty today, which is nice. Bit understeery.
Well, that looks slippery.
It's slippery. Bit of punch of our power to get it to turn round the corner. It's a case of how much do I want to push it?
Yeah, he takes the cones.
Of course, it wouldn't be a race without getting cones, would it? Still a bit understeery on the, well, down at the end of the straight. Here we go, right. Well, that's nice through there. Oh, that was close.
That was neat.
Someone's put a cone there.
This is possibly deceptively fast.
Well, I didn't want to back out at the first corner because that was quite nice. Right, here we go, last corner, here we go. Flat out down the straight here. There we go.
That looks all right.
So much easier to drive. Go on then, right, here he goes.
Onto the straight.
Yeah, oh my, that's bump. I was getting a bit worried, it was coming straight for me. I'll put the cone back mid-brace. Oh, chance my luck.
Thanks, Marshall.
Here he comes.
Low grip today. Try and stay on the
He's
grip.
nearly in the lake over there. Very.
Oh, this is tricky. I haven't driven a Max for a while.
You're getting a little dip
Quite
there, tucks in there nicely.
I mean, it's not like
bumpy over there.
Doing much wrong. Oh, it's a terrible line.
Oh, that's nice.
That was nice.
Nice.
That was more luck
nice.
than judgment, I'll give you that, but
Backed it in there a tree.
it was backing halfway down the straight. Same with the lap time, but oh, I can't get the line.
That's nice, nice through there.
Oh, yeah.
Would be the furthest
I
away.
think you had the
wouldn't it?
better of the Max.
All the way up there.
There we go. Max is done.
Max is done with.
Yeah. Oh, hello. I can't. It won't turn right. Something's wrong. I think the stone might have jammed it.
And it's broken it. So, right.
Go on then.
Let's have another go. Here we go, right. Flat out down the straight.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, no
that's a nice
racing line there whatsoever, people. Or there.
There's a lot of power and not much grip.
It's got massive amounts of understeer. Well, go out on the grass, try and turn it in on the grass. It's just understeer, it's got so much understeer
Not liking
today.
the conditions. This is where perhaps the XMaxx can come in. You can't
nice
compete
through
on
there.
the grippy
Flick through
surface,
there.
but
Here we go.
oh, that was
Can't power
slightly
it, it
better.
won't flip. I can't get it to flip. Which is annoying. A little bit of drift there. Very stable.
Yeah. Oh, that's neat.
Oh, here we go, last bit.
That's it, isn't it?
Well, you will find that's understeery as hell.
Here we go. 3 laps.
Sledge, understeers like mad.
Going for Nick.
There it goes.
Whoa, turn.
So you used to be able to flick it in, but it's got a lot of understeer. That's quite nice. That was nice and calm and collective. Oh, that's nice. It's the dust. It's just understeers on the dust.
Yeah, I've never known understeer like it.
We get a nice line through there. Oh, heavily on the brakes. Power, flat down there. Oh, we nearly got it to back in.
Try.
Oh, that's nice. Get that little dunk there and it just hooks it in. Oh, it's very neat. Very neat.
Trying to be
3
neat.
lap.
Not
Very neat.
stylish, but there we go. I'm coming back. Sledge's done. That was a tricky customer. There was no grip at all.
It won't back into the corner.
No, it's not normally like that.
Right, here we go with the UDR, which I think will be the hardest to get around the track. Here we go, right. Flat out.
Sounds good. That's a bit more like it.
Oh, no worry about understeer with this.
No.
No worry about a racing line there either.
Nice. Oh, this could be deceptively quick, you know.
I don't know, yeah, the back looks quite bouncy. Come on, turn it in. Oh, look at that. Oh, with a little bit of a flick. No racing line, using the high line.
Oh, yeah.
I think, as Matt alluded to, this could be deceptively quick. Flat out. I was nailed it before it even got out of that first corner. Last corner even. Oh!
Keep going, finish your lap.
That screws that lap up. Oh well.
Yeah, you got two good ones.
Oh, fans.
Bit of twig.
Scenery. Here we go, last corner. There we go. That's a tricky customer to drive.
I reckon you need a new rear ring and pinion fairly soon as well.
Oh yeah, I know, that's on its way
I think
out.
mine's getting tired. You can hear it, can't you?
If he does 3 laps without it falling over, I will be impressed. Oh, come on, look at those tight lines.
Right, here we go, starting the lap.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. I can hear his feather on the throttle.
Trying to be gentle with it.
Oh, this is a good lap. And this is only his first lap.
Oh, wobbling around a bit.
Second bite of that corner. Nowhere near the cone.
I'll say I went around one of the cones.
Nowhere near the cone. The cones jumped out at him.
Look at that for neatness. Boring. Oh, why did I open my mouth? It was so neat until that happened.
Couldn't have scripted. Well, looks like I'll be putting some cones back in a minute.
Oh dear.
Oh, he's pushing it now. He can put the cones back up there. Here he comes. Last corner. Flat out. Oh, nice little 360 to end.
Yeah, I might need to fix some of these cones.
Right. XMaxx.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do with this, shall we?
Might have a chance in this kind of dust, I reckon.
First lap.
Whoa.
Well, there's no racing line there, was there?
No. See, look at the grip it's got.
The track is probably a bit tight for these bigger ones. Haven't got to worry about the bumps. Oh. If I can make those corners bigger, I can.
Yeah.
That's it. Flat coming down there. Let's see if we can back it in. Backed it in, but it wasn't particularly quick.
It's not the quickest way, but it looks good.
Peppered myself with stones. So I can't judge them quite as well where I'm standing, but that's not bad. Happy with that.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that was nice. So will this be the lap? No, that wasn't particularly good. It's so stable. This is so stable.
Yeah, that's the M2C axles, you know. 15 mil each side extra.
There we go. At the end, we got the cones.
Nice. Here we go.
Right, here we go. Second one with the XMaxx.
Nice and neat. Onto the straight.
This is his stroke, so you should have this dial.
Oh, that was not a good line.
Copying my line there. Oh, he's donated it. Oh dear, oh dear.
That was careless. Should have been tidier.
Drone's about
this
to
lap's
land.
done anyway, so let's just worry about the next one.
We will let him carry on. Oh, look at it, just taking it gently now. Here he comes, taking it easy. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, he nearly got the second cone. Look, he's put that cone just
Didn't even
in the right
notice
place
it.
to hit that in the next lap. Nice. So we parked all the cars there, so we didn't even hit them, but we're getting quite close. Here he comes, last lap. Will he thread the cone? Oh no, no, the cone was going to get it, weren't it? here we go, over the line and done. With his customary donut.
There we go.
Drone's gonna land.
Nice. Well, that was the easiest to drive by far.
Here we go, right. Here we go. Flat out. No, there we go. Ooh.
There's some brakes for you. Fresh paddler.
Got me
Oh, that was good.
Get on the power, and it does like just kick it around a bit. Oh, well, that was no racing line through there.
Not really.
Fast in, slow out. Try to flick it in. Wasn't having too much of it.
Definitely looks more agile
That
than the
was
X-Maxx.
nice. Like it, this could be a good lap. That was quite a nice lap, that. I wonder.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was nice. Can I? Oh, I'm concentrating now. There's not a lot of talking going on because I'm concentrating.
Oh, yes. Looking good.
Oh, whoa. There we go, over the line. There we go.
What do you reckon of that then?
Yeah, I need to buy one, don't I? Right. Come on, here he goes. That was his warm-up lap. Oh. Is there a problem there, was there?
Kind of.
Oh, dust. Can you see through the dust? Oh, he's getting some tight lines through there.
Doesn't matter after the start of the lap, really.
No, that was an awful start.
I feel like we might be running low on voltage. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it?
Oh,
come back.
These bits here are too tight for the
Wait to turn. If you
XRT.
get the momentum wrong, you're in trouble. I like
I
it
hit
tighter
those cones
apex.
up there once.
Don't worry about those cones.
Right, here we go. These are the last lap. Last lap.
This is not
Flirt
going
them
so
with
well
the
for
outside
me.
line around there.
I'm matching Ian's lap, that's for sure. Whoa.
Cyclist to try and get. Oh, I can see there was no backing off around that corner. This is the show, but oh, stunt driving there.
Anyway, I think you had the better laps on that one.
So it wouldn't be a video about breaking something, would it? The Max, which is actually the newest truck, was the XRT newer? I can't remember. The Max. The servo's broken in it, yep. So we will be back to the model shop tomorrow to see what the situation with that. It's less than 6 months old. No sign of what's wrong with it. Anyway, what was best? Well, the hardest to drive was probably, well, the trickiest to drive was probably the UDR, because it always feels like it's on the edge. But the Sledge, for some reason, had massive amounts of understeer today. We have put new rear tyres on it. Whether that's had an effect, I don't know, but they haven't really been run, so I don't know. The XRT is just so stable and calm, but it's a little bit tight. Now, what's the quickest lap round here? The single quickest lap, I reckon, I haven't looked at the times yet, I'll do a summary after this, but I reckon if there's a good lap in the UDR, it was the UDR.
Maybe. I'm going to go.
What do you reckon, Matt?
I'm going to go with the XMaxx. It looks pretty
So
tasty.
we will see.
Oh, actually, it could have been one of Ian's laps, not mine, but one of Ian's laps on
So
XRT.
what do you think was your quickest lap? On
Post a
what?
comment. Why not?
What do you think was your quickest lap?
Oh, mine. XMaxx.
XMaxx.
Yeah.
I reckon it's either UDR or XRT, but we
Yeah.
will see. So if you watch on just after this, I'll put all the times up and we'll see which was the quickest. So guys, here we have Wobbly McWobbly, the UDR. Really is quite a tricky truck to drive. Make sure you've got the TSM on if you're using one of these.
Oh, this.
There is a good lap time in it, but it's all over the place. Obviously it's quite narrow, smallish tyres, and that solid axle makes it quite a drift machine on the dust. The Sledge. Now I thought this would be quicker, but as we said, it was very, very understeery when we were racing it, so we've got a few tune-ups to do on that. What was it, 17.36, so this was the 4th quickest. It should be higher up there, and this is one of Matt's laps. Perhaps there's more speed in there. Well, there's definitely more speed in that for sure. So much power. Not the handling today. The XMaxx, well, the original, and the best, well, it was 3rd. Obviously we've got this one dialed in quite nicely with the right tyres, the wide axle kit, and hooking up a lap on this. It's a little tricky, it's a bit wobbly, but it's quite stable. For a big behemoth, it's quite stable. And the Max, well, this is always the strange, it's like the Q car. It's just quiet. It's quite small, of course, but it's quick. If you've seen our speed runs, it's surprisingly fast top speed as well, and it's quite agile. It's just that the size of it makes it
just quick. And the quickest one, the newest truck as well, the XRT. This was a good lap. This was my lap. Really was actually a good lap. I think the other lap's obviously nowhere near as quick as this. We hooked this lap up. It's got the stability. Perhaps hasn't got the agility needed for our track, but that was the quickest.
What do you reckon of that then?